Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to crop video in CapCut. It's really easy and simple. First of all, open the CapCut application and then you have to import your project. Just simply tap on this new project and import your video you want to cut. Now tap on this add here and here is our video. Now to crop it, at the bottom you will see these options here. If you scroll to the right, and you can see these options in the bottom, you have to tap on this edit, and in this edit tab, if you scroll to the right, you will see this option here, transform. Just simply tap on it and you can see this option, rotate, mirror and resize. Just simply tap on this resize. That will show you the sum of options to crop files. So we are on custom. If you want to crop your video freely, we have to select this custom, but there are some of more ratios that you can select, like 9 by 16, 16 by 9, 1 by 1 for Instagram, and 4 by 3. So you can select whatever you want and you are good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.